What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you found this video because you're looking for a method on how to get free McDonald's points and free food from the McDonald's app. And I spent hours searching the internet, on my phone, on the internet, trying to find a working method, and I finally managed to find a working McDonald's points method, guys, and it's super easy. You need to use your mobile phone, and I'm going to be running through the steps that you need to take in this tutorial. So, like I said, use your mobile phone and open up the internet and go to this website. So type it exactly how I'm going to be typing it here: www.speedycoupons.com. So speedy coupons, guys. Go to this website. As you can see, it says search below, but you can see, guys, they have tons and tons of different money saving pages on here. Oh, there's the McDonald's one, but yeah, you can see they got tons of pages. So you need to search for the McDonald's page. McDonald's coupons and deals. So these are McDonald's promo codes, guys, and there's a couple of different ones to choose from. There is a 10,000 free McDonald's rewards points code, and there is also a get any meal for free within the McDonald's app. So these are simple redeemable codes, guys, that you can use, enter in the app, and it's going to credit you with certain rewards. So you can see these codes are limited in number. So there is a process of unlocking your exclusive and unique code. So click on show coupon, and you can see I've chose here the 9,999 free McDonald's rewards points. Now you can see the code here is protected. Obviously this stops people from stealing unlimited amounts of codes. So you're going to need to unlock your code. So to do that, you press this button. Now, I've already done this, so I won't be able to do it again. You can see this is counting up to 100%. But when that gets to the end, guys, you're going to see a screen, and it will tell you exactly how to unlock your code. Essentially, if this is your first time on Speedy Coupons, you will need to basically verify you're a real person. But once you've done that and completed a couple of these simple tasks, your code will be fully revealed, and you can enter it into the McDonald's app. Alternatively, you can even have a browse through and see what else they have on Speedy Coupons. So that is it, guys. Head on over to speedycoupons.com, search for the McDonald's page, and just follow through all of the instructions. And that is how you can get free McDonald's points and also free food. So enjoy, guys.